breaks up all that dried on dirt. You don't want to spray dirt because then you're going to turn it into mud. And it makes, you want to break it up when it's dry and then vacuum it. I thought it was a bug. Oh, jeez. You never know what you're going to find when you're cleaning a windowsill. I like to break up all the dirt and debris and dust and dead bugs and get all up in there with my windowsill brush. If you don't have one of these, check my Amazon shop because this is a lifesaver. Look, it fits like perfectly into my hand. Amazon.com/shop/Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I do have the attachment for this, but I forgot it and I'm doing a move out clean, so I'm just gonna use it the way it is. As long as it sucks, it works. Then I spray it down with my Thieves cleaner, all-purpose cleaner. Same bottle I'm going to use to clean the actual glass, not the same towel, obviously. And then I wipe it clean. Wait till you see the difference. Just wait. You're going to be like, God damn, that is Crunchy clean. Come here, check this out. What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you, Crunchy Clean?